Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to book connecting rooms on Expedia. This is a really useful feature if you're traveling with family or a group and want rooms that are close together or even adjoining. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Expedia.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After you're logged in, you'll see several options displayed on the homepage, such as stays, flights, cars, packages, or cruises. For booking hotel rooms, click on Stays. Next, you'll need to specify where you're planning to go. Navigate to the Where To field and type in your destination area in the text field. This could be a city name, a specific hotel, or even a landmark. Once you've entered your destination, look right beside it and click on Dates. Here, you'll select your check-in date and your checkout date by clicking on the calendar that appears. Now, you'll want to adjust the number of travelers. Click on the Travelers button, and you'll see options to adjust the number of adults and children. Simply use the minus and plus icons to set the correct number of guests. After you've configured your search preferences, click Search. This will generate a list of available hotels that match your criteria. Browse through the hotel list and click on your preferred hotel to view more details. Once you're on the hotel's page, scroll down until you navigate to the Rooms section. This is where the magic happens for booking multiple rooms. Click on the Travelers button again and then click Add another room. You'll now see options for Room 2. Click the plus sign to adjust the number of adults or children for this second room. If you need more than 2 rooms, you can keep adding as many rooms as you need by clicking Add another room for each additional one. Once you've set up all your rooms with the correct number of guests in each, click Done. Now hover your mouse over the room type you want to book and click Reserve. This will take you to the checkout page where you'll need to enter your personal details. Fill in your first name, last name, and phone number in the appropriate fields. Next, navigate to the Payment Method or Details section. Here you'll see options like Card, Affirm, or PayPal. Select your preferred payment option from the list, then fill out all the required information for that payment method. After that, navigate to the Protect Your Stay section. You'll be given options such as Stay Protection Plan or No Protection. Click the circle right beside your preferred option to select it. Finally, scroll down and click Book Now to complete your reservation. And there you have it. You've successfully booked connecting rooms on Expedia, making your group trip much more convenient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.